Hey guys, so I haven't been really posting a whole lot here lately, but I've been pretty busy. I built this guy here. That's for one of those four-seater side-by-sides, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. And just doing a tidy tank repair over here. I had a blown out seam, and then he wanted these plates put in here so that when he bolts his job box through, it sort of lives on top. And yeah, then his job box can bolt to it and it won't flex that tank out as bad and keep blowing it out. So did a little repair here. Can't even tell, went really good. Then added these side panels. And we did some work on the mud truck. Moved those shocks up a few inches. They were a bit too low. It fixed the ride height a bit. And boat rack is done and gone. We've been pretty busy here. Oh, we're gonna do this engine too. The red and white is dye penetrant. And I'll add that into this video how we've done that. But basically this engine block had a crack in it. And to verify where this crack goes, we've dye penetrant tested it, and it shows where the crack is, as you can see there. And then on the inside here, we got a repair right there to do. So I've ground that out, and now I'm going to fix it. So did this weld repair on this boat and welded up this block, and so now we have a garden hose hooked up to it, and we're going to see if water comes out of it. In theory, we blocked off the intake and exhaust. Oh, pushing a little air out. That's coming out of here. This is good.
You don't want the air bleeding out anyway.
Yeah, and
Hey, did you coffee your fucking lighter?
oh, that was a leak.
Oh, there's a little leak there too.
And where?
Right here, there's a gasket.
Look right here.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, and we got a leak here. We got a leak there.
Water coming from the inside too.